Now, when we move on the next context, so here, this is going to be the next particular question. All right. So here in this question, what do we understand is that, so here when we read this particular question, what are we generally focusing upon here? That the Indian Press Act of 1910 revived the worst features of the Vernacular Press Act, and it empowered the government to demand security deposits and confiscate the presses, and it was introduced by Lord Ripon to liberalize the press. Okay, so here which of the following statements it is correct when we talk in this particular context? Which of the following statements is correct? Now if you remember local governance, all right, so local governance, the topic of local governance, here you can very well understand that the local governance, it was brought up by Lord Ripon. Okay, so Lord Ripon, when he is the father of Lord Ripon and Lord Mayo over there, so Lord Ripon is going to be there during the 1880s time period, and here the question is of 1910. So that is why Lord Ripon, he is not associated. So we know that statement 3 is incorrect. Okay, then when we talk on the statement 1 and statement 2, so statement 1, yes, that is here the particular 1910. See, when we talk on the Vernacular Press Act, it was one of the draconian rules that was brought at that point of time, and the Act of 1910. Okay, when there was rise of nationalism and the Britishers, okay, after the Surat split, they wanted to curb the nationalism and they wanted to suppress the, awareness activities that was created by these particular people, that is the extremist leaders and all. Okay, so they brought this particular act, and yes, it focused on confiscating the presses and also their deposits at that point of time. So this is going to be there. So first and second statements are correct, but the third statement is incorrect. So both 2 and 3 statements are correct. No, third is incorrect. Both 2 and 3 are correct. No, third is incorrect. Neither statement 2 or 3 are correct. So second is correct, we know. So the remaining option is C. That means that here only one of the statements 2 and 3 is correct, and that explains statement 1. So second is correct and it explains statement 1. Now